What's good, YouTube? I'm back with another video. I'm gonna start doing a lot of different stuff on this channel. It's cold as hell in Arizona right now, so you know, I got the sweater on and everything. If you see the title of this video, you already know what this video is about. I got a bunch of new studio equipment. I've never even tried to get my own stuff. I'm so used to going to the studio, but times like this, it's like you don't even want to go nowhere. So I am getting my own studio equipment. I'm gonna set up here. I'm gonna start doing more videos, more freestyles, more stuff like that. So I spent probably like $5 something on this setup. My wife said I can't get nothing else. She said this is my Christmas present. So y'all pray for me, because you know my wife always hating. She always been a hater. It is what it is. In my order, I got the Focusrite Scarlett 2i2 MXL V69 Mogami Edition, 2 mic cables, a mic stand, and that's about it. So I'm here to unbox all this for you, show you what I got. I think the only thing I am missing now is probably some monitors. That's about it. I got the Scarlett 2i2. A lot of people said they can't find it. You know, a lot of people having hard times. I went to Guitar Center. They didn't have none in stock. I went to a couple different places. They didn't have none in stock. I got this off of, I got everything I ordered off of AmericanMusical.com. They sent me everything in 2 days. Everything worked out. And they do have them in stock. So if you need them, go to AmericanMusical.com. I ain't getting paid for this, but I'm trying to give y'all the plug, because I know a lot of y'all is trying to get this interface, or a lot of different interfaces, and a lot of Guitar Centers and places like that do not have anything in stock right now. Also, I got the mic. I've been looking for this mic all over. That is the only place I can find it online. Every other place was sold out, or they just don't carry it. All right, so let's get this started. I just got this desk as well. I got this desk off of Facebook Marketplace for the low. You feel me? Times like this, you really got to be resourceful. All right, so in the unboxing, you see it's got a couple of instructions. You got the cord, USB-C to regular USB. Okay, nothing in there. And you got the interface. It's actually pretty small. I thought it was gonna be bigger than this. I got the 2i2. Most people get the solo. I got some of the setup stuff from Wavy Wayne. He really put me on. He inspired me to get my own setup. The rest is just, oh, my homie had this mic, so I just went and got that mic because he said it would sound good on my voice, things like that. My last project, I just recorded on a MXL Genesis, so that's why I got an MXL mic. I got a new album out. Go play that. Go get your merch, all that, TinoCruze.com. I will be posting a lot more stuff on there real soon. This is super clean, super clean. This is a third gen. You know what I mean? It's got the line in, left, right, USB-C, mics, you got your monitor, volume, you got all that. Okay. I'm gonna be honest with y'all. I don't even know how to set this up, so I'm gonna put that off to the side. All right, and here you got safety instructions, whatever. Next, I got the MXL V69. I'm gonna have to bring this down here because this box is huge. All right, it's coming in a suitcase. Let's see. In here you got new MXL mics are bridging the gap between solid state and tube. Okay. Now my wife probably gonna be mad when she come home because I'm throwing everything all over the place, but she'll be alright. You see, you got the MXL Mogami Edition. Okay, V69 tube. Oh my baby! Alright, look. You got a cord. So I went and bought cords. I didn't know I didn't need them. So that's cool. You got a mic cord. 2. Okay, and then you got the little power cord. Okay. This is Don't know, but I will find out. MXL V69. I'm guessing the mic goes into this. You got your shock mount. Nice, sturdy. That's actually pretty dope. Extra bungee cord. I don't even know what them is called. Shock mount. Last but not least, the mic. Oh, this the little joint that goes over the mic. I know there's not a lot of unboxings. There's not even a lot of people who have this mic, it doesn't seem like. So I just wanted to do this unboxing to let more people know about this mic. But the hard thing is that's like one of the only places you can get it. AmericanMusical.com. Okay, black and gold, black and gold. Yeah, that's cold. That's nice. All right. Well, I'm gonna set this up. I probably ain't gonna be back, so I'll see y'all in the next video. Go to TinoCruze.com. Check my album out, buy merch. Everything new is gonna be on TinoCruze.com. All right. So I'll see y'all in the next video. Like, subscribe. You know, share videos. I really appreciate it. Shout out my wife. I know this probably gonna be all I get for Christmas, but I understand.